Summarize. Describe the circle given by the equation x minus 7 squared plus y minus 8 squared equals 9. So we are going to start with this standard equation of a circle, which is r squared equals x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. And through these notes, we've seen a few different versions of this, and we've kind of worked our way toward this, but this is the standard equation of a circle. And in this formula, r represents the radius of a circle, and hk represents the center of the circle. So if we are given the equation x minus 7 squared plus y minus 8 squared equals 9, our radius is going to have to come from this 9. But notice that the 9 is in the r squared position. So we can write that as r squared equals 9. But in order to find the radius, we would have to square root both sides, so the radius would be 3. Also notice that we are given two pieces of information in the position of the h and the k, which would be -7 and -8. However, notice that hk, when it's written in the ordered pair form, doesn't include either of the negatives that are included when it's written in the equation form. So we have to make sure that we change the sign. So the center of our circle is going to be 7, 8. So make sure you change the signs from the equation to the ordered pair. So if it asks us to describe the circle of that given equation, we can describe this circle as a circle of center 7, 8, whose radius is 3. And that is a perfectly valid description of this circle. Now we come to the next question. Write the equation for a circle with center 0, -4, and radius 8. So we know from what we're given here that hk is going to be 0, -4, and the radius is 8. So if we have our standard equation of the circle, r squared equals x minus h squared plus y minus k squared, we can replace r with 8. We can replace h with 0. And we can replace k with -4. Now there are a few things that we can simplify here. We can see that 8 squared is 64. X minus 0 squared is the same thing as just x squared. And y minus -4 is the same thing as y plus 4. So this right here is the equation of a circle with center 0, 4, and radius 8.